to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
I'm so pleased to see you. Guess what? Tula, Ivor and I are trying to think of a new game that a monkey would like to play. Have you got any ideas?
How about a monkey rhyme?
That's a hooby-groovy idea, but I don't know any monkey rhymes.
But we do. There was a naughty monkey who jumped on a bed.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps help us find things out. They give us clues, they tell us news. That's what they're all about. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart, they're fun. They know.
Who will do Tiddly Peeps?
Who will do Groove?
Oh dear, it looks like I've caught you on your way to bed. Do you think you might have a few moments to help me?